Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a text fade in and out animation in Davinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. First go to Effect panel, then drag an adjustment clip above to your text in the timeline. Next, click your adjustment clip and select Open in Fusion page. Then here in the Fusion page, select the rectangle tool and resize it to fit your text. Under the inspector, modify soft edge to 0.1, then adjust the center X until your text disappears to the left. Click the keyframe button next to center. Move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and modify the center X until your text fades in. Then move your slider forward again to adjust the center X to fade your text out. And there you go. You've now created a smooth text fade in and fade out animation in DaVinci Resolve. If this video helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.